This is Friday, December 27th, 2024. The current time is 11:18 in the a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I thought I'd just go over what all happened today and yesterday in a recap. I know I didn't make a video last night on my expectations on the day. Got so much of time when I map something off or am right once or twice or kind of right, and then it goes to another statistical level, then I just whatever I would have came up with last night would have probably been wrong. That's why I really didn't make a video on what my expectations was going to be on the day. But in hindsight, it happens to do exactly what it done in the past. Previous support, which this was calculated up before this event ever happened or this move ever happened. Made perfect support again today. I almost gravitate to the 50% level from yesterday, or day before yesterday rather, and rejected from there. So it pushed. Yes, it did quite well. I thought that most algorithms would have not kept pursuing pumping gold yesterday. Algorithms did what algorithms do, and it's already at a statistical level where it has been rejected a lot in the past or previously or whatever, and they just decided to take profit there. They took heavy profit, came down to the previous supports, and whoever was shorting anywhere through this, as far as algorithms go, then they need to be wise and not continue to force it downward. The 0% level I had mapped off from the day before yesterday, that almost tagged as well. Those were close anyway, so it kind of is what it is on that front. The 161.8% level from a couple days ago, that one was initially resistance. The next 161.8% level kind of was. It ain't super clean, but that one was very obvious because it tagged it exactly. When it tags it exactly, then I know that those levels are still holding up and it does have some weight. And this is a good sign to show that, that isn't going to be it forever. It ain't going to tag that and reject and, just go into oblivion after that. And it's just when those levels where algorithms take profit. Again, now this 161.8% level, the algorithms take profit. This average daily range top of it, the algorithms take profit. Again, it's not wise for algorithms to continue to short down here unless there's a legitimate reason. I don't keep up with reasons. I don't follow all the news. I'm not going to listen to that because it bores the hell out of me. When you've been doing this for almost 5 years, it gets extremely boring to listen to stock market news, gold news, or try to keep up with it. And there's very minimal that you'll miss it anyway if you're not actually up to date with it. And being a retail trader, you're the last one to know anyway. So it came up almost at 50% level and is kind of rejected now. So again, who really knows? But it is a good recap on what'll happen, and it's really good example of what I look at, why I believe in it so heavily, and why I wish I would have took a position yesterday. From 55 to 25, $30 move. That's $3,000 on one contract. If you held all the way through that, it's not logical to do that though. To just hold all the way through that. If you did though, it's definitely not wise to keep holding down here below this. So it kind of is what it is on the day. Let's see what it is on the actual, not on the week. It shows this estimation is going to be way off, but it shows 24% buy volume right now. So that's not terrible on the day. It could be worse. And again, that's an estimate. That's not going to be accurate at all towards the end of the day. So that 25% buy volume shows me it's not nothing but bearish action, or some bulls that try to step in. Alright, that's long enough video. I thought that's pretty interesting. I'm sure everybody else is like, what the hell is this guy even talking about? But I know what I'm talking about. And it's more or less just a documentary for me anyway. So I hope you're happy, healthy, well, goodbye.